In this video, you'll learn how to write and publish a blog post on WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to create your own blog content and make it live for your audience to read. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the screen. This is where you will manage your WordPress sites. After locating the Sites option, click on it. You will be directed to a page that shows all your existing sites. If you have not created a site yet, you will need to select Create a new site. This step is crucial as you need a site to publish any blog posts. Next, choose the specific site where you want to publish your blog post. Click on the site name, which will take you to the site management dashboard. Ensure that this is the correct site, as all your blog posts will be published here. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the button that says Finish Setup. This may appear if your site is not fully set up. Clicking this will complete the setup process, allowing you to access the full features of your site. Wait for a confirmation message that indicates the setup is complete before moving on. After the setup is finished, you will see an option to close the setup window. Click on the Close button to return to the main dashboard. This action will bring you back to the main editing interface where you can create your blog post. Now, look for the plus icon, usually located at the top or side of the dashboard. Clicking this icon opens a new post creation window. It is essential to recognize this icon as it is your gateway to starting a new blog post. Next, find the search bar within the new post window. Click on it and type blog post to access the relevant options. This will help you locate the appropriate templates or features that you can use for your post. After searching, look for the blog post option that appears in the search results. Click on this option to access the blog post creation tools. This will allow you to start writing and formatting your content before publishing it. Once you are in the blog post editor, you can begin writing your content. Make sure to save your work periodically to avoid losing any changes. When you are finished, look for the Publish button to make your blog post live. Before publishing, check your internet connection to ensure a smooth upload process, especially if your content includes images or videos. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.